Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. So I am at a friend's place in town where he does the breeding, keeping and trading of aquarium fish. Here you have different species within this setup where he actually keeps live bearers, goldfish, different species. Some are here, some are not. I'm just carrying it through the different spaces so that you can see what is being done here in Jamaica. Now these containers are much larger than the ones in which I have, and they are lower, right? And also please note that the area is actually cordoned off by what I call shade cloth. So this prevents mosquitoes from coming in. It also prevents other critters, like frogs and stuff, from coming in to actually take up residence within these ponds. So these are what are being used for pond, for breeding and keeping of specific fish species. Now, so I'm just looking at this aquarium. I think the fishman would actually love this setup, where in which the water is actually been taken up to here. The aquarium is actually bored, right, and the pipe actually comes down into the base of the aquarium, which actually is sucked up by a system, right, and it actually circulates to a pump system, a big huge pump system. All the aquariums are like running, and it just looks so neat, right? Yeah, so you have some live bearers, guppy, molly, swordtail, right, and the water channel, the wastewater, should I say, the water to be cycled are actually channeled a particular way where it's actually managed, right? Okay. So here, the setup look really awesome. So here is the filtration system for the water that is being released, or should I say, that is being taken from the aquarium. It goes here, and it's then passed through different mechanism where it is actually filtered, right? It's like it's being recycled, right? So it goes through the whole process of mechanical, chemical, and biological filtration. The biological part is so unique in that it has several plants, and although it has the plant, it doesn't have any substrate, right? And the plants are doing well. Here you can see some guppy grass and some lilies. Yeah, looking really cool. I like the plants in this one. Looking really cool.